Welcome to Dream on Wheels. Today, we're stepping into something that feels less like a vehicle and more like a refined living space on wheels. Because not every motorhome is designed the same way. Some focus on compact practicality, others focus on pure space. But then there are models like this, built to deliver comfort, design, and a premium experience all in one. Introducing the Rapido 8066DF Ultimate Line Exclusive, a motorhome that doesn't just offer features. It focuses on how those features come together to create a smoother, more comfortable way to travel in this full tour. We'll take a closer look at its exterior presence. Interior living space, kitchen, sleeping area, bathroom setup, and what makes it stand out in real-world use? From the very first glance, the 8066DF makes a confident impression. This is a fully integrated motorhome, and that design choice immediately changes how it looks and feels. The front is seamlessly built into the body, giving it a clean, continuous shape that feels more premium compared to standard van-based designs. The lines are smooth, the proportions are well balanced, and the overall presence feels refined rather than aggressive. It's the kind of design that looks equally at home on highways, campsites, or scenic stops along the sides. Large storage compartments are integrated into the body. These are not just for convenience, they're essential for longer journeys, allowing you to carry everything you need without compromising interior space. The entry door is wide and positioned for easy access, making everyday use simple and comfortable. Large windows run along the sides, bringing in natural light and giving the motorhome a more open feel from the inside. At the rear, the design remains clean and functional, with easy access to storage and internal components. This is an exterior that combines presence, practicality, and premium design. Step inside and the difference is immediate. This is where the motorhome truly starts to feel like a living space. The interior is open, well lit, and thoughtfully arranged to create a natural flow between areas at the front. The driver and passenger seats rotate to become part of a spacious lounge. This transforms the cockpit into a usable living area, making the space feel larger and more connected. The seating arrangement is generous, allowing multiple people to sit comfortably without feeling crowded. The dining table is centrally positioned and stable, offering enough room for meals, work, or simply relaxing indoors. What stands out here is not just the space, but how it's used. Everything feels intentional. Nothing feels wasted. During the day, large windows allow natural light to fill the interior, enhancing the sense of openness. At night, soft ambient lighting creates a warm, calm atmosphere. This is not just a place to sit, it's a place to spend time. Moving into the kitchen, the focus shifts to usability and comfort. The countertop offers a good amount of space, enough to prepare meals without feeling restricted. You get a well-integrated cooking area with a stove and sink. Positioned for easy use, storage is one of the key strengths here. Multiple drawers and cabinets provide space for utensils, groceries, and cooking essentials. Everything is placed logically, making it easy to access what you need. A large refrigerator adds another level of convenience, especially for longer trips. This allows you to store fresh food and stay off-grid for longer periods. This kitchen is designed for real cooking, not just basic use. Moving towards the rear, the sleeping area offers a more private and relaxing environment. The main bed is spacious and well-designed, providing enough room to stretch out comfortably. The mattress offers good support, helping you rest properly after a full day of travel. What makes this area stand out is the sense of separation. It feels like a distinct space, not just an extension of the living area. This adds a level of comfort that becomes very important over time. Storage is integrated around the bed, including overhead cabinets and additional compartments. Everything is positioned to remain accessible without creating clutter. This is a space designed for proper rest. The bathroom setup is one of the highlights of the 8066DF. Unlike compact campervans, this motorhome offers a more spacious and practical layout. Inside, you'll find a toilet, sink, and a separate shower area. The separation makes a big difference. It allows for a more comfortable and usable space, especially during daily routines. There's enough room to move without feeling restricted, which adds to the overall experience. Storage compartments are also included, helping keep everything organized. This is a bathroom designed for real use, not just occasional convenience. The cockpit area continues the premium feel of the motorhome. The seats are well padded and ergonomically designed, offering strong support for long journeys. The dashboard is clean, modern, and easy to use. Controls are placed within reach, allowing you to manage essential functions without distraction. In front of the driver, the instrument cluster is clear and easy to read. A central infotainment system provides access to navigation, media, and connectivity. Large front windows offer excellent visibility, helping you stay confident while driving. Once parked, the seats rotate to integrate into the living space, adding versatility. When you look at the motorhome as a whole, what stands out is how complete the experience feels. It's not just about moving from one place to another. It's about how comfortable that journey feels. You have space to relax, space to cook, space to rest, and everything works together smoothly. This is what makes travel feel effortless. The Rapido 8066DF Ultimate Line Exclusive is built for those who want more than just functionality. It's designed for comfort, space, and a more refined way of traveling. The Rapido 8066DF Ultimate Line Exclusive delivers a travel experience that feels structured, comfortable, and thoughtfully designed from start to finish. It's a motorhome that focuses not just on features, but on how those features improve everyday life on the road. If this is the kind of travel experience you're looking for, it's definitely a model worth exploring further. Thank you for watching Dream on Wheels. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more detailed campervan and motorhome tours. We'll see you in the next one.